Welcome back, gang, to some more apartment hunting with me. I just will take you guys on a little tour today of maybe 2 to 3 apartments that I actually went and viewed. The price range will range between $1,900 to early $2,000 a month, and that is not including any electricity. That's just like the base rent. If you guys are looking to move to the Bay Area or just looking to move to California, I am trying to stay on the lower end of the spectrum starting rent, which is around $1,900 starting. So if that sounds like a budget that you are interested in, then I am definitely the channel that you need to be looking for, because your girl is on a budget and I like to stay below a budget and not be rent poor. But in this first apartment, I did not actually record going in, but I wanted you guys just to see the actual grounds of the place. It was really, really nice, but unfortunately they did not accept pets and there wasn't any natural light in this apartment, so I had to turn it down. But enjoy the rest of the video and I'll see you guys at the next apartment. Okay, so this next apartment that I toured was a high-rise in downtown. One thing about living downtown, you are going to get great sunlight. That's the one thing that I'm actually looking for whenever I'm apartment hunting. I need sunlight, and this place right here gave me all of that. Brand new appliances, brand new spot. There are some pros though, and there are some cons. Of course, you guys know that with living anywhere, but in California, space is very, very limited. Let's go outside here, because I won't even tell you guys the price of these apartments, because the one I viewed actually is on the 4th floor here, and that ran around $2,400 a month, and that's base rent. But you guys can tell, like, it is definitely worth every penny. Now let's go inside and just look here. There's the dining room area. Of course, it has a washer and dryer. It has a great view of the courtyard. Like I said, 4th floor, around $2,400. So you know, the higher you go, the higher that the price will be. Another pro is the fact that it has a rooftop, and I'll take you guys downstairs to the actual common area, fire pit and all. So you are going to get your money's worth if you live here, but once again, space is very, very limited. Okay, so as you guys can tell, I've actually went to a different apartment, a different layout on a different floor. This one did not have a balcony, but the view was spectacular. Like, this is what you'll be paying for, that amazing view of the mountains, the highway. But it's actually an eyesore too. If you was to look down, there's the actual street and a whole bunch of clutter and a lot of, you know, like the underpass where it's just trash and junk and old houses. So yes, the view was great, but then it becomes an eyesore. So I don't know what you guys are looking for, but if you decided to live here in California, there is some main things that are really, really important and may become important to you. And that will be washer and dryer, parking, a place that accepts pets if you are a pet owner, and safety. So before I get into the final apartment, make sure you guys check out my other apartment videos and join the gang and subscribe. All right, that's it for this apartment tour in downtown. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys sort of look for the same amenities and things for your building or whenever you are moving. And stay tuned, because this next apartment that you guys will be seeing, it's actually a good neighborhood and good vibes, but everything's a little bit outdated. But you guys will see in the next video. And stay tuned and subscribe and join the game.